So first is solving a right triangle given two sides. So here we have triangle ABC with C as the right angle. And C is 90 degrees. The sides of the triangle that we know are 8 and 12 is the hypotenuse. So the next step is finding sine A, which is 8 over 12, or adjacent over hypotenuse. And then you find inverse of sine, or sine negative 1, which should be written as 8 over 12, but reads 8 over 18. So angle A is 41.8 degrees. And then angle B is 90 minus 41.8 degrees, or 48.2 degrees. The next step is to find the cosine of 41.8 equals b over 12. And to solve this, you would cross multiply, so 41.8 over 1 times b over 12, which becomes b equals 12 times cosine 41.8, which is, on a calculator, approximately 8.9. So next we have coterminal angles, which are essentially angles that meet in the same place. So in this example we have 45 degrees as the first angle. And to find a coterminal angle, you would circle the graph once until it reaches 45 degrees and add 45 plus 360 so that they meet in the same place, and find that the coterminal angle is 405 degrees. And this also works backwards with a negative coterminal angle, or 45 minus 360 equals negative 315 degrees as the negative coterminal angle. So 45 degrees has coterminal angles of 405 and negative 315. Next is supplementary and complementary angles. And a supplementary angle is essentially a line that is divided or intersected in two. So for this example, we have one angle measure at 50 degrees. And to find the other one, you would simply subtract 50 from 180 and find 130 degrees. So the supplement to 50 degrees is 130 degrees. And complementary angles are very similar. It's just a right angle intersected in two. So here we have a 70 degree complement, and to find the missing angle, you would subtract 90 degrees minus 70 degrees to find 20 degrees. So next is solving for the angle of elevation. And in this example, we have angle B. Which has one side of 37.62 meters and a height of 34.09 meters. And the first step to take with this is to find tangent of B, which is opposite over adjacent, or 34.09 over 37.62. And next is inverse tangent, which is the same thing but inverse, and on a calculator that becomes 42.18 degrees. So the angle of elevation here is 42.18 degrees. So next is finding the missing side given the angle of elevation. And in this example, we have an angle of elevation of 2640 and a bottom side, which isn't written here, and it's 123 feet. And the missing side is A, and there's a part below it that extends 5.30 feet. And the first step to take is tangent of A, so 2640 equals A over 123, which becomes, on a calculator, 61.8 plus the 5.30 feet is 67.1 feet.